buttons. This button first.
Caterpillar power.
That's the truck, Dad.
Press forward, reverse, or dump lever now. Press forward, reverse, or dump lever now.
If the truck is talking,
Shutting down.
now use it. Ta-da! And look.